Have you ever wondered how creators are pumping out hundreds of YouTube shorts every single day without lifting a finger? While you're manually editing videos for hours, they're making thousands of dollars on autopilot. Today I'm going to reveal the exact step-by-step system that's generating millions of views and serious cash for smart creators who discovered this automation goldmine before everyone else catches on. But here's the thing most people don't realize about YouTube Shorts automation. It's not just about using AI tools randomly and hoping something works. There's a specific sequence, a proven blueprint that separates the creators making real money from those wasting time on methods that'll get them nowhere. And if you stick around until the end, I'll show you the one automation mistake that's killing 90% of creators before they even get started. Let me start by explaining why automation isn't cheating, it's evolution. YouTube's algorithm doesn't care how your content gets made. It only cares about one thing: keeping viewers glued to the platform. When you create content that performs well, YouTube rewards you with more reach, regardless of whether you spent 20 hours editing or 20 minutes setting up systems. The foundation of any successful YouTube Shorts automation system starts with niche selection, but not the way most people think about it. You can't just pick a random topic and expect automation to work miracles. The most profitable automated channels focus on three specific types of content: educational quick tips, countdown lists, and motivational quotes with trending audio. These formats work because they're predictable, repeatable, and the audience never gets tired of consuming them. Here's where most creators mess up their automation journey. They jump straight into tools without understanding the content strategy. Your automation is only as good as the content framework you feed it. The winning formula combines evergreen topics that people search for consistently, trending elements that boost initial reach, and emotional hooks that drive engagement. Without this foundation, even the most sophisticated automation tools will produce content that flops. Now let's dive into the actual automation process, starting with content ideation. Instead of brainstorming topics manually, successful creators use keyword research tools combined with competitor analysis to generate unlimited content ideas. You take your chosen niche, plug it into tools that show you what's already working, then create variations of successful concepts. This removes guesswork and ensures your automated content targets topics with proven demand. The next step involves script generation, and this is where artificial intelligence becomes your secret weapon. But you can't just ask AI to write random scripts and expect gold. The trick is creating detailed prompts that specify your niche, target audience, desired emotion, and content structure. You want scripts that follow proven formulas: hook within the first 3 seconds, value delivery in the middle, and a strong call to action at the end. Once you have your scripts, voice generation comes next, and this technology has reached incredible levels of realism. The key is finding voices that match your niche personality. Educational content works better with authoritative voices, while entertainment niches benefit from more energetic, youthful tones. You'll want to create voice samples for different types of content, so your automated system can match the right voice to the right script automatically. Visual creation represents the most complex part of the automation process, but it's also where you can create the biggest competitive advantage. The most successful automated channels don't rely on generic stock footage. Instead, they combine multiple visual elements: relevant background videos, text animations, progress bars, and subtle effects that keep viewers engaged throughout the entire short. The goal is creating visual variety that prevents your content from looking obviously automated. Here's a critical insight most creators miss: timing and scheduling aren't just about consistency, they're about algorithm optimization. YouTube's algorithm favors channels that post at optimal times for their specific audience. Your automation system needs to analyze when your viewers are most active, then schedule content to go live during these peak engagement windows. This single factor can double or triple your reach without changing anything else about your content. But automation isn't just about content creation, it's about the entire workflow from ideation to optimization. The most successful creators build systems that handle thumbnail generation, description writing, hashtag research, and even comment responses. Your automation should create multiple thumbnail options for each video, write SEO-optimized descriptions with relevant keywords, and prepare template responses for common comments. Quality control becomes crucial when you're producing content at scale. Your automated system needs checkpoints that ensure each piece of content meets your standards before publication. This includes checking audio levels, verifying visual quality, confirming all text is readable, and making sure the content aligns with your brand voice. Without these safeguards, one bad automated video can damage your channel's reputation. The monetization strategy for automated channels differs significantly from traditional content creation. Since you're producing higher volumes, you need systems that maximize revenue from each view. This means optimizing for multiple income streams: ad revenue, affiliate marketing, digital product sales, and brand partnerships. Your automation should include elements that drive viewers toward these monetization funnels naturally. Analytics and optimization represent the final piece of the automation puzzle. Your system needs to track performance metrics, identify winning content patterns, and automatically adjust future content based on what's working. The most advanced creators use automation tools that analyze successful videos, extract winning elements, and incorporate these insights into future content generation. Here's the automation mistake I mentioned earlier that destroys most creators. They try to automate everything immediately without first understanding what actually works for their audience. Successful automation starts small, with maybe 1 or 2 content types, then gradually expands as you identify what resonates. Trying to automate 10 different content formats simultaneously usually results in mediocre performance across all formats. The future of YouTube Shorts automation is moving toward even more sophisticated systems that can adapt content style based on real-time performance data. But right now, creators who implement even basic automation systems consistently are seeing incredible results while their competitors are still stuck in manual creation mode. Your next step is choosing one content format, setting up a simple automation workflow for that format, and testing it for at least 30 days before expanding. The creators winning with automation aren't necessarily the most technical, they're the ones who commit to the process and continuously refine their systems. Remember, YouTube Shorts automation isn't about replacing creativity, it's about scaling it. When you remove the time-consuming technical tasks, you can focus on strategy, optimization, and building a real business around your content. The opportunity window for getting ahead with automation is still open, but it won't stay that way forever. Start building your automated content system today, because tomorrow your competition will be catching up. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.